Hey, I'm Ray Norbeck. I'm the student recruiter for the Hill and Levene Schools of Business in the Faculty of Business Administration here at the University of Regina. We have a direct admission option for students coming in directly from high school. Students are required to have a minimum average of 70% based on 5 courses, which are English A30 and B30, one of Foundations of Math 30 or Pre-Calculus 30, one approved 30-level course from the categories of social science, language, or fine arts, and one additional approved 30-level course. For any high school students with an admission average of 85% or higher, you will automatically receive our Excellence Scholarship worth $1,000. This scholarship would be in addition to any other automatically awarded entrance scholarships from the U of R. To be considered for this scholarship, be sure to submit an application by March 15th of your grade 12 year. Your admission average will be based on a combination of your grade 11 and 12 grades at the time of applying. Anyone transferring into our program with previous post-secondary must have an admission average of 65% or higher based on the completion of a certain amount of credit hours. So we offer a 2-year Diploma of Business Administration and a 4-year Bachelor of Business Administration. However, there's no time limit to complete either program, so students can take them either as a part-time or a full-time student. Within our BBA program, we offer majors in the areas of accounting, finance, general management, human resource management, and marketing. Towards the end of your second year, you will have a fairly good idea of which major you will want to focus on for your upper years in your business program. However, we offer quite a bit of flexibility for students to determine what area is the best fit for them. We also offer a joint Bachelor of Business Admin degree from the Hill School and a Bachelor of Sports and Recreation Studies internship through the Faculty of Kinesiology and Health Studies. This 5-year program worth 150 credit hours results in obtaining 2 degrees. These joint degrees provide students with knowledge and skills from both a sport and traditional business perspective in marketing, management, administration, leadership, and finance, just to name a few. We also have a cooperative education program, which is an additional option within our BBA program. Through this program, students gain valuable and varied work experience in their area of business interest. Students are paid for these work terms, and last year alone, we had 215 placements with students earning over $3,100 per month. Each work term is 4 months in length, with students completing at least 3 placements to graduate with a co-op designation in addition to your degree and your major. So many of our students are offered jobs where they've completed their work term, so they already have a job lined up after completing their degree. We do have a laddering program option. The Level 1 and Level 2 certificates in administration offered through the Center for Continuing Education both ladder into our Diploma of Business Admin program, which then all ladders into our Bachelor of Business Admin degree program. Both the Diploma and the BBA programs are offered here through the Hill School of Business, where the Level 1 and Level 2 certificates are through CCE here at the U of R. We also offer a business law option for those interested in pursuing a law degree. Students who are admitted to an approved law school after 3 years of the BBA program here at the Hill School can receive credit from their first year of law school to complete their 4th year of their business degree here. You would obtain 2 degrees in less time than it would take to do those programs separately. And students interested in this option should consult their academic advisor in the Hill School early on in your program to assist in planning your program accordingly. So business is everywhere. The job opportunities are essentially endless. Our students have gotten jobs as financial planners, human resource managers, accountants, digital marketers, and city administrators, just to name a few. In fact, 97% of our fall 2020 grads were employed 6 months after graduation. And for those wanting a background in entrepreneurship, we offer a certificate in ideation, creativity, and entrepreneurship. This certificate helps our students differentiate their learning and adds to their capabilities. It's basically an extra credential in addition to your degree. So the Hill School of Business program uses a case-based learning style, so our students are encouraged to focus on experiential education by taking what you've learned inside the classroom and applying it outside in the real world. A great student in our program would be someone who is motivated to learn and participate and someone who can think outside the box. At the Hill School of Business, there's a lot more to the university experience than just what you learn inside the classroom. Our programs are designed to prepare you for a successful and progressive career in business as a responsible leader who creates positive social change. Our experiential learning approach is based on 5 things. Builds connections between business and community, teaches you to think critically, creates networking opportunities, improves your leadership abilities, and helps you exceed your potential. There are many opportunities available for business students to make the most of their student experience. This could include getting involved with our Business Student Society, participating on one of our award-winning case competition teams such as JDC West or ICBC, or maybe even investing $2 million of real money on the You Are Investing team. The options are endless and a great way for students to have fun and make new friends. So it is strongly recommended students complete the Pre-Calculus 30 course with a grade of at least 65% achieved, as that is the prerequisite course to take the math class required in the Bachelor of Business Administration degree program. An additional opportunity for students in high school is to enroll in the U R Accelerated program option. So high school students can take U of R courses such as our Business 100 Introduction to Business before even beginning their program in Hill, and they will earn U of R credits. So our program offers flexibility for students to encourage maintaining a student, work, and life balance. Courses in the Hill School are offered anywhere from 8:30 in the morning to 7 p.m. at night and everything in between. And majority of the business courses are offered Monday to Thursday, so there's typically no classes on Fridays here. Some may be web delivered, or another option is the high flex courses where students can be in a class on campus or join in remotely. My advice would be just take the leap and apply. Many of our students learn what career path they want to pursue based on the business courses they take in their second year. Students are not locked into choosing their major either and can switch up their area of study if they so choose. Be sure to take advantage of the scholarships available as well and apply early. The early conditional deadline to apply is March 15th of your grade 12 year. And if you're looking for more in-depth information on our programs here at the Hill School of Business, we are offering a monthly information session from February until May. Each session highlights a different area of business such as accounting, finance, marketing, HR, etc. Check out our website at hill.uregina.ca to sign up for the session. And of course, feel free to contact us with any questions at business.recruitment@uregina.ca.